How do I identify my CPU socket type for PC gaming CPU replacement? Imagine upgrading your gaming PC and hitting a snag because your new processor just won't fit. That's why knowing your CPU socket type is so important. The socket is the physical slot on your motherboard where the processor sits. Different CPUs need specific sockets, so matching them is key to a smooth upgrade. Start by checking what CPU you currently have. On Windows, click the Start menu, go to Settings, then System, and select About. Look for the processor name there. You can also use tools like CPU-Z or Speccy, which give detailed info about your hardware. Once you know your CPU model, search online for its specifications. The manufacturer's website will tell you the exact socket type. For example, Intel's 12th to 14th generation processors use the LGA 1700 socket, while AMD's Ryzen 7000 series use the AM5 socket. Next, verify your motherboard socket. If you plan to upgrade without changing the motherboard, you need to confirm the socket matches. Usually, the model number is printed on the motherboard itself. You can also open your PC case and look near the CPU socket. The motherboard manual or the manufacturer's website will list the socket type. It's important because if your motherboard has an LGA 1200 socket, you can't put in a processor that needs LGA 1700. Knowing the socket type also helps you understand compatibility. AMD's AM4 socket supports Ryzen CPUs from the first generation up to the Ryzen 5000 series, but not the newer AM5 processors. Intel's sockets change more often. For example, LGA 1200 supports 10th and 11th generation Intel CPUs, but not the 12th or 13th generation, which need LGA 1700. Sometimes, a BIOS update is needed for your motherboard to support newer CPUs. Check the motherboard manufacturer's website for updates. If you're unsure, many online compatibility lists or tools like PC Part Picker can help you see if your CPU and motherboard are compatible. You can also physically inspect the socket if you're comfortable opening your PC. Intel's sockets usually have pins on the motherboard, called land grid array, while AMD's sockets have pins on the CPU, called pin grid array. The socket type is often printed on the motherboard near the socket itself. Getting this right before buying a new CPU saves you time and money. It ensures your processor will fit and work properly with your current setup. Remember, matching the socket type is the first step to a successful upgrade that keeps your gaming performance sharp.